How to stop apps running in background on Android and then free up some of the storage. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can stop background apps and put them to sleep on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now there are lots of apps which actually runs in the background automatically, such as some of the games which always sends a notification, and that's because they're running in the background. And if you want to stop them, there is basically a simple way to do this. All you have to do is you have to go ahead and launch the settings app. Once you launch the settings app on any Android device, nowadays there's a setting called battery and device care. So go to your battery care option. As you go to battery and device care, you'll be able to see a list of various options. Go ahead and select the one which says battery. As you select battery, you'll see all of these options over here. If there are any type of apps which are running in the background and harming your battery, then it will basically show up here. But if not, then what we will do is we can go to background usage limits. As you go to background usage limits, there are some of the apps you can see there, put unused apps to sleep, which means that any of the apps which runs in the background will be put to sleep. You have some of the sleeping apps as well. You have some of the deep sleeping apps, and you have some of the never sleeping apps as well. Basically, this is it. You can go to background usage limits and verify anything, or you could go to wireless power sharing, and if there are any type of apps that actually harms you, then that is basically going to get disabled right over here. And that's basically how you can stop background apps from running in the background. Or what you could do is you could go to apps itself. So let me just go ahead and select apps, and then I will select any of the apps. Let's say, for example, once you select apps over here, you'll have permissions such as for them to actually run in the background or not. So if you can see the option called memory or storage or battery, you'll have options such as to leave them to restricted or unrestricted. You could go ahead and simply disallow them. And to free up some of the storage, what you could do is you could go to the storage option, and you have some of the recycle bin. You could go ahead and clear your recycle bin over here. So if you go ahead and simply clear your recycle bin files, you will simply be able to free up some of the storage left on your device. The other thing you can do is you can also clear some of the cache files, for which I recommend you use the application called CCleaner, which is absolutely free on the Google Play Store. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.